Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check Neet exam centers. It's crucial to know your center details well in advance to avoid any last-minute stress. We'll walk through the easy method to find this information, ensuring you're fully prepared for your exam day. This guide will help you quickly locate your assigned test venue and confirm all necessary details. The first step is to visit the official Neet website. Look for the prominent link that says Download Admit Card or similar. Once you find it, you'll need to enter your unique application number and your date of birth. Make sure these details are entered correctly to successfully retrieve your admit card. This process is designed to be quick and secure. Once your admit card is downloaded, carefully examine it. Your exam center's name and its complete address will be prominently displayed. Pay close attention to the reporting time, as arriving late is not permitted. Also, check for any specific instructions or guidelines unique to your assigned center. This section is vital for your exam day planning. On exam day, plan to arrive at your center with plenty of time to spare, perhaps 1 hour early. Remember to carry your printed admit card and a valid photo ID, like an Aadhaar card or passport. It's essential to follow all instructions given by the invigilators and examination staff. Being prepared ensures a smooth and stress-free experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.